Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a business Instagram page. First, convert your personal account to a professional one through your settings. This unlocks features like insights and ads. Next, select the most relevant business category for your brand. Finally, add essential contact information, such as your email, phone number, and physical address, making it easy for customers to reach you directly from your profile. Now, let's optimize your profile. Your profile picture should be your business logo, ensuring it's clear and easily recognizable. Next, write a concise and engaging bio, using all 150 characters to tell potential customers what you offer. Don't forget to add a clickable link to your website or a specific product page, driving traffic to your main online presence. A strong content strategy is crucial. Plan a consistent posting schedule, perhaps 3 to 5 times a week, to maintain audience engagement. Develop a unique visual style that reflects your brand's personality, using consistent colors and fonts. Experiment with different content formats like Reels for short videos, Stories for daily updates, and carousels for multiple images or tips. Finally, focus on engagement and growth. Use a mix of popular and niche hashtags to expand your reach and help new users find your content. Respond promptly to comments and direct messages, fostering a sense of community. When ready, explore Instagram ads to target specific demographics and significantly boost your visibility and follower count.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.